Hi, I'm Chef Jackie Angpo. Let me share with you a Noche Buena treat that I've created with the Monte Kitchenomics. I call it Puto Bumbong Fiesta. Tuwing Pasko, my family looks for Puto Bumbong, especially after Simbang Gabi. Kaya I made my own recipe na madaling gawin sa bahay. Naggamit lang ang regular kitchen tools. At syempre, I made sure it's even more special with Del Monte Fiesta fruit cocktail.
Let's start by combining malagkit rice flour, and grated fresh coconut. Add in water, ube flavoring, and coloring. With clean hands, mix everything well until the consistency is similar to dough. Next, fold in half of the drained Del Monte Fiesta fruit cocktail. I've chopped them into a medium dice so it evenly spreads out in the Puto Bumbong. Divide the dough into two. Flatten the first half into a rectangle and slice it into 12 strips. Place 4 logs in a banana leaf, then brush each with butter. Fold the leaf to secure the logs. To soften the leaf beforehand, place it over an open flame. Steam everything together in a steamer for about 10 minutes or until the leaf has turned a dark green color.
For me, it is always an adventure to think of easier ways to make well-loved recipes.
Once done, open the banana leaves at i-brush ang Puto Bumbong with more butter. Top it with grated queso de bola, fresh grated coconut, muscovado sugar, butter, and the remaining half of the Del Monte Fiesta fruit cocktail. Serve it hot and enjoy!
Now this is a great combination. I really love the warmth and the chewiness of the Puto Bumbong combined now with a sudden burst of fruit in every bite. Bagay na bagay talaga sila. And there you have it! Yummy Puto Bumbong! With Del Monte Kitchenomics, madali na lang gawin ang mga favorite recipes nyo. You can find this on the website by clicking the link. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our Del Monte Kitchenomics channel for more recipe inspirations. Thank you mga ka-kitch and Merry Christmas!